Yeah, bro. So if, like I said, the source chord, like this. Okay, this is the source chord now. Okay, and this is in the key of C. This is C sharp. This is D. D sharp. E. F. F sharp. And G. Okay, this is the key of G. This is the key of G on the second string. This is the key of G here on the third string. Okay. So the same way you hold it here on the key of C here, you can still hold it here also in the key of G. The same way. The difference is that on this shape, okay, my sounds are somehow deep because of the fret position, okay, the fret space, okay. Now this C, the saw is in the key of D. G, sorry, is the key of G, which is here. This saw here is the key of G. Abi? So you can equally play source chord here also in that key of G. Just the same shape you hold. Okay, the same shape you hold your do, only the same. Okay, so second string, then you bar here also. Now, aside of holding there, now you should know that this is G, F sharp now. Going forward, this is F. This is key of E. Okay, so now, if you want to play, maybe you want to play the chord, that source 2 chord on maybe a favorite place, some place that you can hold it very well, maybe in that key of G. This is the key of G. Okay, this is the key of G. Now, what makes the source 2 chord is silencing the mi and let the re pronounce. Okay, it's for you to silence the mi and let the re pronounce. So in this case, if you can hold your shape, okay, on these positions, it will be better for you if you can hold it. Now this is the key of G. We have do here, we have mi here. Re, mi, okay. Do, re, mi, okay. So what? Play it this way. It will be a kind of more difficult for you, okay, to place your finger. Okay. Okay. It's gonna sound better. Though I don't normally use this chord, but if you try to use it, it's gonna sound better. From your do, re, the same thing as a G sharp. same thing as F. Okay, the key of F. Those are professional chords. If you can start holding them in this neck. Okay, so that is how it sounds.